Using Chris Walken's voice and a very jittery camera, I'm demonstrating here some very basic interactivity in a VR scene I made using a combination of techniques. The VR video is rough to watch due to my rapid head movement while wearing the Quest 3 headset, which is not an uncommon feature of VR videos, but I assure you that is not like the actual experience I was having, which was comfortable. If I had set it up as a room scale experience and had a larger apartment, I could just physically walk around in the scene rather than teleporting. This is not only more immersive, but also easier to watch as a video. The small shack, which is basically a fancy outhouse with a bed, was created in Chief Architect in about 2 minutes, as you can tell. And then from there, taken into VR in another 5 or 10 minutes. I expect this time can be reduced, and that eventually the texturing and interactive elements can be created automatically using Unreal Engine blueprints. I prefer modeling out small residential projects in Chief Architect since it works really well for rough conceptual designs, but I wanted to easily take these into a highly realistic, interactive, and immersive experience for the clients and stakeholders. This is where Unreal Engine 5 really shines above everything else. Once in Unreal, the design can be gloriously realized in accurate detail using very realistic lights, landscaping, and other elements that are often free or inexpensive. I can render also just these scenes out as still images or animations. In VR mode, the client gets a real sense of the space that cannot be had any other way. This should allow them to become more confident about design choices going forward and quickly try on many ideas. With the right Unreal templates, I'll add more interactivity so the user can move items around, sit, walk, fly, change lights, colors, textures, and more. I've seen demonstrations like that by other people, and they all have their pros and cons. For my approach here, I had to first export out of Chief and into SketchUp using the ColorDuff file format. Then from there, export to Datasmith, and finally import the Datasmith file into Unreal. This was a bit convoluted, but can perhaps be automated somehow.